Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by removing variable noise. Power cycle both headphones and your source device to clear transient bugs. Next, make sure no other Bluetooth radios are active near you. Interference creates delay. Once done, open your device's Bluetooth advanced settings and select a low-latency codec like aptX Low Latency or AAC. This reduces buffering. If the codec option is missing, prepare to update drivers or firmware. Those updates unlock the right audio paths and are critical to eliminating systemic lag. You now force the communication stack to favor speed. First, use the headphone vendor app to apply the latest firmware. Firmware often fixes timing bugs. Then update your device's Bluetooth drivers or system software. Outdated stacks fall back to legacy profiles with higher latency. Once updated, go to Developer or Advanced Bluetooth settings and set codec priority to a low-latency option or disable wideband audio if required. This combination tightens packet timing and reduces buffering between sources. You finish by choosing the one way that always works for critical speed. Switch to a wired connection or use a dedicated low-latency USB Bluetooth dongle or transmitter that supports aptX Low Latency. Make sure the headphones and transmitter are in line of sight, minimize distance, and temporarily turn off nearby too. 4 GHz Wi-Fi to avoid collisions. If you still hear lag, unpair and repair both devices. Then test on a second source. This isolates hardware from software problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.